YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I'm Deuce, and if you're new, subscribe. If you're not new, then welcome back, man. You already know. Hold on real quick. Y'all know what we doing by the title. Y'all see the title, but I gotta finish cooking my noodles, cause you know I got a little hunger. You gotta eat before you get dessert. That's how you get big and strong. You gotta eat before you eat. But, you know what I'm saying? You just got a little noodles with some little slice, regular chicken flavor. That's all it is. Gordon Ramsay ain't got nothing on me. You feel me? Make sure you add some of this. Am I camera leaning? I think that one fall. But if you ain't using this season salt right here in your noodles, I don't know what you're doing. Are you okay? Are you okay? I told y'all my camera lean. Okay, back to what I was saying. I just looked over to see my camera lean. But like I said, if y'all ain't using it right here, man, if y'all ain't using it, I don't know what y'all going on. I don't put eggs in there, hot sauce. I'm ghetto. But not that ghetto, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's I'm not fit to do that. But I did put some vitamins in there one time, and people swearing down. It was like, man, that's a struggle. I had a girl tell me, she was like, yeah, your mom in love you growing up. I'm like, dang. Hey, mom, you didn't love me enough. Am I afraid? Oh my God, man, this is. Y'all see the struggle I have to go through to record these videos. That's why I don't upload. This is why I don't upload. Simple. Telling y'all, man, I be trying to upload, man, but you know, the universe don't be working with me. You know what I'm saying? Like, the universe be like, nah, we ain't uploading it. It's 9 o'clock, but 8:50. I ain't even in bed yet. And I gotta work today. That be wrong with me. That's why I be so sleepy work. They wonder what wrong with me. And then when I get sleep, man, I get my real personality come out when I get sleep. But nah, man, we finna got you know, is it leaning again? Oh my God, bro. Yeah, man, I don't know what's going on with that camera, man. I made that tripod, but we go in the trash because the back leg keep going down. I'm going down. Like, come on, bro, you gotta stop. I don't know if y'all didn't even see me, man. Let me set everything up, man. We finna get cooking this. So first off, you need the package. They say get some vegetable oil. I don't have vegetable oil. I do have canola oil. I think that's how you say it. Cannoli, I don't know. I think I got some more oil in here. Wait, what kind of oil did I just say? Oh shoot, never mind, I got it. Hey y'all, I got it. Hold on. You need some eggs. We got eggs. And you know what we need next? Hold up. Hold up. Water. So the ingredients you need right now. This is all we need right here. I'm telling y'all, it's all we need right here. I like to read direction. I know I'm black and I read direction. It's kind of rare, but but hey, I do it. 3 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of water, and we need 1 egg. So we need 1 egg. 1 egg. So I need an egg. I gotta get out my measuring stuff. Yes, I'm black and I measure my food too. I know, it's rare. Trust me, I've heard it all. So I'll do a grab y'all bowl. You see I got a bowl. My bowl a little ashy right now. I promise it clean. You know how y'all got that spaghetti bowl? If you still having red stains in it, but they really, you swear, I promise you, it really clean. That's how my bowl is. I done cooked that bowl so much, I done baked out it so much, it got flour all in it. But I ain't got no teaspoon. I might do got a teaspoon little measurement thing in there. I don't feel like looking. So 1 tablespoon Well, wait a minute. Lord Jesus. Oh, we doing a tablespoon. Okay. 3 of these is 1, so I gotta fill this up 3 times. Wait, maybe I need to add the powder first. Yeah, y'all don't judge me. Yeah, but. Alright, well, take that, toss that in the trash. And I missed. That's why I don't play basketball. That's why I do YouTube instead. 1, 2 Mississippi. Y'all didn't see me old speed that much. I promise y'all, I'm not that good at measuring. It's 3. So we don't need this no more. We'll take this and no, I'm not finna throw my oil over there. I hope my battery don't die because I'm on like 7%. And oh, I need the bag. I forgot. Wait a minute. Nope, I lied. We need 3 tablespoons. So that's 1. Oh my God. Yeah, buddy. Hey man, y'all don't be laughing at me in the comment section, man. I'm trying, man. I'm sleep. I promise y'all, I'm sleep. I just hope my phone don't die. Okay, that's 2. Oh shoot. Hot diggity dog. Yeah, that right there work. I promise you it'll work. I didn't take that. Now we can take it out of the way. I hope my camera don't die. I'm telling y'all, man, my camera's so close to dying. Let's hang in there, buddy. Come on, old blue. If y'all watch SpongeBob, y'all remember the episode. I think of Old Blue. When saying the hook to the I think that bubble gum. And saying the hook to it and said, come on, and then the old dude was like, come on, Old Blue. Y'all have been watching SpongeBob growing up. If y'all did, y'all was lame. If you didn't watch SpongeBob, you were lame. I really like SpongeBob. But hey, see what else we gotta do? We gotta do 1 tablespoon of water, which is 3 of these. I cleaned it out, barely. I laid that mug out, I'm telling you. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. They a little dry. If they don't turn out right, man, I ain't gonna upload the video. I'm just gonna upload the short. Cause they don't look too good. But that's what he's saying, you know. Yeah, it can't be right, y'all. They look a little too dry for me. Like, are they shooting right? I don't think they right, man. They say you gotta add egg. We'll teach y'all how to do that one day. No, not that part. Oh my God. This is an epic fail. There we go. Get that little egg up out of there. Should have ate it. Maybe I'll turn to a bird not to fly. See, make sure you get all the milk out of it. I ain't gonna lie, man. This is an epic fail, man. Epic fail. Y'all probably think I can't bake now. So now y'all can talk about me in the comment section and be like, he said he can bake. Cause I be telling folks I can bake. But you know, they probably be like, he told me he can bake. I knew he would learn. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Hey, dang, get that other egg over. I ain't see that one. Can't be eating no eggshell. Hold on, man. Shelf Deuce back. Hey, Shelf Deuce back and feed. I need my girl thick like this. I'm just let me stop, man. Let me style, let me chill. If she ain't thicker than the peanut butter, I don't want her. Cause she from the corner. I heard that demon was alone. I don't even drink one. What type of drink you want? Something. You come sit with me. If you like change the weather, if you wanna live better, we can buy a crib wherever. Don't get too dirty. Whoa. Get used to the chatter. I wanna tell the world about you just so they can get jealous. And if you say I'm for I do, tell I wish that I met him. That OG Future right there. What that 8th grade Future, middle school. That was my song right there. But they got my arm hurt and I did shit today too. Shit. I think we got everything mixed all over. We'll make us some balls. Paws. Big paw. Big paw. We're gonna roll up. I need to roll. And put it on a little sheet. Stick it in the oven. And you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get a crack. You dig? Alright, YouTube. That's the end of the my bad. My apologies. Ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. These turned out good. These turned out real good. I know I went wrong yet. I know I'm smacking like crazy. I took the fork and I made the little, you know, the little things in there, little design to make it look aesthetic wise and kind of made the cookie wider than they really were when I first, you know, rolled up the dough. And that caused the cookie to be a lot wider. But it's still good. I don't care. Still tastes amazing. So if you don't want your cookie, you know, like mine, don't worry about the aesthetic part trying to make the little things and the little design in there. And if you do that, make sure that you go a small amount of dough than what I did. But anyway, I had fun. Great video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe. If you already not subscribed, turn on post notifications so you'll be notified when I upload a video, because I'm finna start pushing out content like crazy this year, 2024. We going crazy this year. But until next time, y'all, you know, it's fun to do, whatever. You know, until next time, it's your boy, Deuce. I'm out your mind. See you.